All right, friends, welcome to another unboxing review. I'm checking out these OEDRO floor mats. This is for a Nissan Altima. Where's the end here? Let's pull these out. So these are basically like laser measured in there to custom fit perfectly. Very nice design here. We got the high edges around, so if you get water in there or anything, very good way to protect your vehicle. Don't want to get your carpets all messed up or anything like that. And here's that. Very nice quality here. Non-slick here. And for the back seat. Okay, check that out. Let's just go slip this into the car and see how well these fit. Comes a little mat manual and everything like this. With some of these, like when they're folded and for shipping or whatever, and then when you put them in the car, sometimes the muscle memory in the material maintains that shape for a little bit, but over time it'll work its way out and conform to the layout of the vehicle. So let's go throw it in the car and test it out here. All right, friends, so these are the old ones I have in there. As you can see, there's no lip here. So if the water gets on here, if it's any kind of, you spill something, it's just gonna kind of go over here. And you can still see it's kind of like a flap right there as well. So the new ones are just a lot more of a perfect fit. And here we are on the passenger side too, guys. And we can see, even though these are the old ones, they've been in there for a while. It's just kind of not quite a good fit. You have these that are kind of sticking out and just not very precise. Okay, let's get in our driver's side one. And this should be a little bit different than the passenger one. We'll have the stuff for the brakes and things like that. It should fit up in there perfectly. Oh yeah, that's nice. I was just gonna go over there like that. Look at that fit. So nice and contoured here. This is obviously going to, just want to make sure mainly that it doesn't move around. It does have these little bumps here that you can like fit these on if you want to. The main thing is though, that this just doesn't, it's not going to slide around. As we can see, that is in there good. Let's get a close up here. We can see how good. All right, so nice. Even though this is still a little bit, you can see that just pretty much snug all the way around. And a nice fit there. Looks really good. We can see the protection if water gets in here. Maybe you have rainy day or snow. That's all just going to collect right here. It's not going to spill out. We have an edge all the way around. So easy to clean too. You just pull these out, vacuum them, hose them off, whatever you want to do. So let's get the other ones in. Okay, here's the passenger side one. Just kind of slip this in there, just like that. Snug as you please. Look at that. That is like seriously perfect there. Let's get a close up here. All right, friends, we can see, look at this all the way around. That one's pretty much an exact fit here. Really nice. It's not even moving around at all. It's like a perfect fit there, guys. I think it looks really, really nice. Let's go to the back. Okay, we're coming in from the other side here. Probably the easiest way to do this is to kind of like have these up from the top like this and then slide it in this way. Okay, in between the car seats there. All right, perfect. Right down here. Well, that's a really good fit there. That is really snug. Look at that. Right around those. Oh man, look at that. Right here. That is nearly perfect. Even with the contour of that is just really nice. That's, yeah, it's snug already. There's no real anything of where it's like sticking up. Really like that, guys. So as we can see, this fit is just about perfect. Even with these, those kind of just lock it into place, but it's so snug, not really any cracks or anything like that. So very, very good fit. Like I said, they use like laser mapping and everything to make sure that this is going to fit like perfectly in your car. And look at that, guys. Sit down here and it's not sliding around or anything. Gotta have your kids jump in the back. This is going to protect your carpet. And we want to take it out and clean it. Like, you can just hose it off, no problem. This is a durable, rugged material, easy to clean, easy to dry off. Just throw it out in the sun or wipe it off with a towel and you're good to go. Anyways, my friends, thanks so much for watching this review. I hope it's helpful. If you guys want to check it out, I'll link these floor mats in the description below. You guys have a great day. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.